I'm Dr. Road. Let's talk about why it's necessary to perform polarity testing, and how to do it if you're changing the connector of the charger you purchased to an XT60 connector or another type of connector. Most cables that are composed of two wires have the red wire as the positive electrode and the black or other color as the negative electrode. This is a charger that has completed the connector exchange using an XT60 connector. What happens if you use it?
Will it explode? Will the battery malfunction?
There's a high possibility that the battery management system, BMS, will be damaged, sparks will fly, and the circuit breaker will be activated. Low-cost chargers don't have fuses, so there's a high possibility of battery damage. Here's a sample video. The internal components of the battery or charger will receive irreparable damage. The mental shock is a bonus. Perform a polarity test. I connected the multi-tester according to the wire color code. The negative polarity is indicated. Those Chinese must be crazy. According to the tester result, it's connected the opposite way. There are these chargers among the low-priced imports. Be careful when exchanging the terminals. The red cable is positive, plus polarity, which is the worldwide standard. The blue cable indicates the positive electrode. If you exchange the terminals, don't just use the Chinese charger. There are many products like this. The video board has the product address needed for production. Liking, subscribing, and clicking helps a lot in making the broadcast. Thank you for watching.